Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So again for this Japanese week, we're going to do a little Japanese, little Cuban twist, right? With fireworks in the background. Even though it's after the 4th of July already. But anywho, we're going to do a sake mojito. Yes, a sake mojito. All right, first thing first, we're going to go with a tablespoon or 1 sugar cube, about 6 mint leaves, and we're going to take a half a lime and cut it into smaller pieces. Then we're going to muddle that. Smell all of that. Next, we're going to go 5 ounces of sake. Some good sake. Fun fact about sake, warm sake is typically the cheap sake. So if you're drinking warm sake, that is typically the cheap one. Anywho, I'm going to add some ice to my shaker. Give this a good shake to help dissolve that sugar cube. So if you wanted, you could use simple syrup. But it's more authentic with the sugar. When it don't dissolve, you get a little bit of sugar in your mouth. All right, so next, we're going to pour it directly in our glass of ice. We want to add about an ounce, that's why I left a little room, of club soda. Got a little bit of the mint floating around, that's what you want to see. All right, we have a sake mojito. Sake isn't real strong, right? So this is 14.6%. So this is not really strong at all. But this is a smooth mojito. Like, this is a good variation of the mojito drink. And it's not bad at all. I know I say that about a lot of drinks, but just a little bit of club soda is perfect. So, again, I'm gonna finish this. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.